Hi everybody, today I will show you how to put two photos side by side on Android. So let's begin. So the easiest way to do this is using the Google Photos Collage feature, which comes pre-installed on most Android phones. I'll show you how. So open the Google Photos application. So search for photos on your phone and open this application, that is Google Photos. Now tap the plus icon at the top right. From the menu that pops up, select Collage. Now, select the two photos that you want to place side by side and tap create option at the top right. And Google Photos will automatically arrange them into a collage layout. Once the collage is created, you can tap on it to make small adjustments like dragging the white border between two photos to resize how much space each one takes up. So you can click edit option and edit these photos anyhow you want, like crop it, adjust it, take actions, markup, filters, and much more. This will come into editing. Now you can click borders and choose the width, radius and color, or if you want to place them side by side, that is left or right, you can click templates and you will see these options from which you can choose. So for example, I can select this one and this will place my image side by side. I can get back and as you can see, I can adjust my picture from just right here. As you can see, now these photos are put side by side on my Android. I can click save option at the top right. So that's how you put two photos side by side on Android. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.